YouTube, what's up, y'all? Addict Trader FX back with another video. Good morning, good evening, whichever one applies to you. Shout out to all of my subscribers. I appreciate everything. The last video, man, y'all ran them likes up. I really appreciate it. You know, guys, there's some people that are not gonna agree with my technical analysis or whatnot. I mean, I'm just telling you what I see. You know what I'm saying? So. Sometimes you're not gonna like the truth if price is coming down. You know what I'm saying? Some people don't like to hear that. Some people want to be lied to and say, "Oh yeah, this project or this crypto is going all the way up," and I'm not gonna be that person. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hype. I'm gonna give it to you how it is. And so we're gonna get to some technical analysis. It is the weekend, so be mindful that crypto does run slow on the weekends. There's not much volume, but we do have something going on, and so we're gonna do a technical analysis on Ethereum. We're gonna do technical analysis on Volt and Bitcoin. Okay, y'all. So before I get to that video, let's guys hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of returning viewers. Y'all not subscribing, man. Just subscribe. Like I always say, it is free. Hit that subscribe button. Not only that, you get a chance to win some money once I reach 500 subscribers. And I'm not too far. You know what I'm saying? I'm at 423 subscribers right now. So once we get to 500, I'm doing a giveaway. Be a part of that giveaway. By being part of that giveaway, you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, comment down below, interact. I interact back. But yeah, I appreciate all the feedback, man. That last video really did pretty good. So you know, it is what it is. Take it how you take it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get right into the video.
Yeah. I got me some vote. 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 You should get you some vote. Fill up your bags. Back up the.
All right, y'all. So we got votes in at 6-0-3104. Okay. So we'll just say 3100 even for right now. All right. This is the daily time frame. Blow this up. Okay. As you guys can see, man, it is creating support at even 3000 level. All right. We've had wick rejections in this area. We've had consolidation up in this area. So I personally think right now price is creating that higher low to continue pushing up. Now I could be wrong, right? But we need more data. We need more data to see if price is going to continue pushing up towards back to 34.45 and see how price reacts once it gets to this level. Like I say, price needs to close above 34.45, so we need the price to be at 34.50 to have good confirmation that the buying pressure is still there. Okay, so but right now this is looking really good. If this holds, then this means that this was the higher low that was created for the next leg up. Okay, and like I said, I like to do teaching moments. So this is how uptrends work. You get the leg up, that's the high, right? The higher high. Then you get the higher low, and then you get that other higher high, which broke previous high to create that higher high, to come back down, retest previous highs broken, and so on and so forth, right? You get the picture? So that looks like what is happening right now on the daily time frame. Okay, like I said, we need more data to see for sure where price is headed, right? This daily candle right now could be pushing up, but it can also come right back down. It could retest this consolidation area and then push right back down. Now, I have these circles right here highlighted for a reason, right? And I want to show you guys something, okay? So, if you notice, this high is higher than this high right here, and higher than these highs right here, and higher than these highs right here. So what is price doing? Price has created an uptrend. So we have the high here, we have the low, higher low, right? We have the high, low, high, low, high, and if this holds, then this could be that next higher low, which is a good confirmation. Then we're gonna have a next leg up, right? We're gonna have another pump coming soon. Okay, and so excuse the noise in the background, y'all, my kids, but this is looking very good, guys. Okay, higher highs are being created. Okay, higher highs are being created, lower lows are being created. I mean, higher lows are being created. All right, we are in an uptrend, so don't look at it like because price is pulling back down to certain levels, that is not gonna hold and is not going up. No, this is looking really good, man. And I do gotta say that this is not financial advice. This video is strictly for educational purposes only, so don't hold it against me. Just a disclaimer, y'all. Okay, so as long as price can hold this level, I can see price coming back up to this 34.45 range, all right? Now, if it doesn't hold, then the next level that we can see that price is going to retest is 28.05. And if this doesn't hold, then price is more than likely going to come back and correct this move, which I keep saying it. I firmly believe that we need to come and correct this move here, all right? Now, we won't know until more data gets printed. More candles need to get printed for us to see where price is headed, right? On the weekends, there's not enough volume. There's crypto runs 24/7, but volume is a lot slower during the weekend, right? And so, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little encouragement to show you that we are creating higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so ignore the pullbacks as a bad thing. All right, like I said, whenever you get a pullback, dollar cost average adds more to your bag. Not financial advice, right? Do your own research. Invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, we are in the investing game, right? So you have to be mindful that sometimes price shit's not gonna go all the way up. Okay, but this is looking really good to me, man. This is looking very good. Selling pressure did seem to be dying down right here, but it also is the weekend. So once we get closer to Monday and Tuesday, we'll know for sure where we're headed, right? We need a big bullish candle to close, okay? Especially above this level here. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at Forex Factory. This, like I said, guys, this website right here gives you all the economic data that's coming out for the month. Every month, right? Every week. So for this week, we really don't have much in the sense. Well, okay, so yeah, we have. Let's see. Okay, so this is actually this past week that just happened. All right, so next week, here it is. All right, so we got Canadian economic data coming out Tuesday. Wednesday, we have unemployment claims for the U.S. We have revised consumer sentiment that's showing if people are spending money out there right now at this moment. So that'll be on Wednesday as well. And then Thursday, Europe has news, Great Britain has news, and yeah, so really nothing too serious that that's really gonna impact it. I feel like hard, but yeah, guys. So, depending how these news folders come out, these economic data come out, it will kind of maybe impact price a bit. So, we're gonna keep an eye on that. We're gonna see how these, especially unemployment claims. When unemployment claims comes out, that one's probably the more important one that we want to wait on. But when that does come out on, let's see, what was it? Where was it? I think it was, let's see. Yeah, Wednesday. So on Wednesday, guys. Okay. So depending how unemployment claims comes out on Wednesday, we shall see some type of price reaction to the markets, right? If the data is good, then just like before, price went up, right? So I feel like maybe price is trying to head back to 34.45, retest that level, and depending how it reacts there, we're gonna know more, right? But if price does not hold this level here at 3,000 flat, then we're coming back down to 28.05 for sure. and then obviously we will go from there. So let's go ahead and look at the market cap overall for crypto. I'm going to refresh this page. So we're sitting at 1.39 trillion. We're up almost 1% for the day. Okay. Still holding strong up there. You know what I'm saying? We're building up. Vote sitting ranked at 697 with the 24-hour volume at under $1 million. Okay. Let's see what Ethereum is looking like. Give you my technical analysis on Ethereum. So at the very moment, price has definitely created support at 1918. Okay, so you want to just say 1900 area, right? Because it's never going to be perfect. Just because this line is here doesn't mean it's going to respect that line, but it is respecting it to the sense. But sometimes you get these little dips below that level, which it did tap into the 1900s, right? So selling pressure seems to be dying down because we have a doji candle right here on the daily, right? Which was yesterday's candle. Now today's candle, price is so far is forming a wick, rejecting that 1918 level, right? It could be pushing up back into into the 2000, 2100 range, and we'll see what happens once it reaches there. But like I said before, price was more. So after you have such a big push like it did, okay, and I believe this day right here is when unemployment claims came out last time. So whenever you have a big push like this, you're gonna have some consolidation. All right, but consolidation is good because that is like a pot building up pressure. All right, and once that pressure gets built up so much, eventually it is gonna pop out of that zone, and hopefully it continues pushing up, right? But like I said, we got to see how unemployment claims comes out this week. If not, price will, if it doesn't hold this level and it breaks below 1918, then the next zone would be 1744. So we could probably possibly see Ethereum drop back down to 1744. Okay, but that's the worst case scenario. So the best case scenario would be that price breaks 2131. We need a close above this level so we can continue pushing on to the next zone, right? Which I have marked up. And slowly but surely, it'll make its way up to the 2900 range, all right? Because this is such a beautiful, beautiful, clean range right here, all right? And price definitely has to come and correct this move right here, all right? And then we have resistance right in this level right here. Support was created, support was broken. Price came back up to retest that zone, created a resistance, giving us a double top, right? And then price just dropped, all right? So that is my technical analysis on the Ethereum side, right? So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin real quick. Okay, so price right now is consolidating right around 3,600, 30, you know what I'm saying, 400. Price is consolidating. I'm going to go ahead and put this trend line right here to show you that price is respecting this uptrend right here, respecting this uptrend trend line, okay? Now, if price were to break below 35,479, then more than likely price is going to come back down to 33,316, but I personally believe it's going to tap into the 40,000 range, okay? And then price is going to react from there because if you notice, we have tons of resistance. Same thing, right? It looks just very similar to the Ethereum, right? So very similar. This is Bitcoin. Look at it. Same thing. Support was created. Support was broken. Price came back up, retested and created resistance, and then gave us that huge bearish candle right here, which gave us confirmation that a lot of selling pressure was in this zone of $40,000, and then price just dropped. All right. So same thing. What Bitcoin does, Ethereum does. What Ethereum does, Bitcoin does. Okay. But right now, for the moment, price is respecting. Remember, it's creating highs, lows, higher highs, higher lows. We're looking very good, man. All right. It's slowly but surely is picking up. All right. If we look at the weekly time frame, okay, price is giving us a rejection to this level right around here. So we shall see, guys. Remember, it's gonna take some couple days for it to play out, but nonetheless, we are looking very nice. All right. The previous daily closure was bullish. Okay. Right now, you see that the new candle is giving us a wick. All right, a wick rejection into the zone, creating higher lows. Okay, on the daily, look at it. This low is lower than this low. This low is okay, so let me do it the reverse way. So this low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low, and this low is higher than this low. You get what I'm trying to say? You should get the picture, right? So listen, we will come back to this when there is more data. I might not post tomorrow unless something pops off, right? But for now, guys, that is my technical analysis on Volt, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. I think it's a perfect time for crypto investments. That's just my opinion. We are definitely getting close to 2024 for those of you who are new to investing into crypto. The Bitcoin halving happens every 4 years. The charts show, the history show back every 4 years, there's a Bitcoin halving. Now, exactly what month is it going to happen? We don't know yet. But that sets off a bull run, a pump, all right? So we all are looking forward to that. The markets are definitely going to start turning around. It's looking really nice. So I want y'all to just remember dollar cost average at certain levels. That's why I'm giving you guys these technical analysis. I apologize for the noise and the interruptions of the internet. But yeah, man, I will keep you tuned. Just remember, have your post notifications on, set on all, and yeah, man, great time, man. It's getting there. It's money time. It's money season. So invest what you can invest. All right. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Don't invest your rent money. Don't invest your car note, because you just never know what could happen, right? In the economy, you don't know what could happen with this Israel shit. You don't know what could happen, right? Anything could happen. But people are putting their money into safer places and holding it in the bank, right? And we're seeing that. So hopefully Wednesday we get some good data, economic data. But as of right now, guys, we're looking really good. So y'all be safe. Till next time, peace.